So guys, these are things that will be commonly found in a Jamaican or Caribbean household.
A bottle of Ray and Nephew. If you're a Jamaican and you don't have that in your house, I have one here and I live in Spain.
I don't think this is a secret anymore. What people usually do. Before what's the secret?
What's the secret, but I put on somebody.
Is if I buy a new phone overseas and I have my phone already, I always Yardman Podcast are the one.
Yeah, man.
Yardman Podcast are the one. Yardman Podcast are the one.
Yeah, man.
Yardman Podcast are the one. The Yardman Podcast.
Tell him now.
Tell about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell about the Yardman Podcast.
Boom, man. David Antonio back again with the number one Jamaican podcast in Murcia, Spain.
Number one Jamaican podcast in Europe.
And we're going for the world and we're slowly but surely growing. And we know you don't like this, but please like, share, and subscribe.
Yes.
That's the only one of two times I'll say it. The other time will pop up randomly when you least expect it.
And this will be my first time and last time saying it during this episode. I found out something about YouTube. I learned it last night. Remember the video I sent you?
Yeah.
I was watching a video, and then at the end of the video, the person was saying subscribe, subscribe, like 3-4 times. And the subscribe button on YouTube, it actually lit up.
Yeah, like a little
like a red light.
Or around it, like a little glow thing.
That's why I'm sending you the video. I'm going to ask, Davian,
No, that's been
look
there.
if you notice this.
That's been there for a while, but they don't announce certain updates. So people, if you see it glowing the subscribe button, that's your sign. Like
it's calling you.
That's the AI overlord telling you to subscribe.
Yes.
So please subscribe and do your thing.
Yeah, man.
Something is back again. Speaking of you talk about that update, I don't know if you see this, bro.
Yeah.
But I'll put a picture here. Remember this picture. We need the picture for this.
Yeah.
You remember when Instagram used to show, you used to have that button where you scroll and you see, oh, you like people who likes what and your other friends like
Yeah.
what. That is back. That is back.
Informer, come back.
It is back.
Bumbo
So right now, if you're watching a reel, you see
Yeah.
a little, you see three of your friends up top.
Yeah.
And you can click on that and you can click on the reels that they watch.
Really?
Yes, the reels that they watch and they like. So so the man there, the informer is
back.
Be careful at the pictures and the reels you like,
My
my
God.
guys. You gotta be careful. The snitch gram is back.
Yo, Davian, what would possess a man to bring up a feature like this? Bring back a feature like
They
this?
said they want you to engage more with your community, with your followers.
And people are not engaging enough already?
No, the thing is the 3 people that pop up there
Yeah.
are the 3 people that you probably share the most content with. Like you send reels back and
That
back.
you interact with.
Yeah,
okay,
so it's like they're saying, oh, they don't need to send you the reels. I'll just show you all the reels that they
They're
like,
watching.
they liked already. But I don't want Instagram to be showing that stuff. Like, if people saw the reels I've been watching, bro, I might get arrested.
Davian.
You know how many 9/11 reels that I
Oh,
watch?
yeah.
My friend sent me.
Yeah, true. I understand.
I think, let me see. My
Ah,
friend
so-
sent me a 9/11 reel the other day. Because right now,
Jesus.
condolences to all that pastor gone.
Yeah, it's true.
The dog sent me one. And I say, gender. Can't even read it. You see your genders. You can't. Okay, this is the real. This is a meme. Genders are like the Twin Towers.
Jesus Christ.
There used to be 2 of them, and now it's a sensitive topic.
Well, that's true. That's true.
Yo, some of these things.
My God.
Some of these. Yo.
Yo, if people really could have seen people's Instagram, dog.
And see exactly what we're sharing with
Yes.
our friends.
Oh God. Imagine if some of your group chats get exposed, Davian.
Tony, to be honest, group chats, I'm not that bad. It's more the sharing of the reels with,
Yeah.
certain,
With
people.
certain people,
The
yeah.
dark humor is too dark, bro.
My God.
The dark humor is too dark. All right,
Yeah.
let me see if we can find our next one. What one I'm Reggie send me? The one, the Diddy fans. Somebody said the Diddy fans. Diddy fans outside celebrating.
My
Baby
God.
Isle.
Baby
And
Isle.
some of them just, all right. For example, this one.
I started wearing deodorant. No son of mine will wear deodorant. Get out of my house.
This it,
Dad, I started wearing deodorant.
is an AI video.
Make sure you send it to me so we can post
Send it
it.
to
No, so we can post it right. Wait, we're not gonna post this as meme of the week.
We can't do it, we can't do it.
This might carry problems, but yeah.
See, speaking of, I just got this meme in from a friend.
Uy, no gas.
Let me see what she say.
No, guácala. Es tuyo.
Man, I borrow him care.
Yeah. Yo. But sometimes you have to flex like that. You ever tell a lie to get a girl yet?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Davian,
What was
you
the
really
lie?
going to ask me the lie, Davian?
Yeah, what was the lie? What?
Yo, I did back in the days, dog. Back in high school days, brother. And
Yesterday.
a long time, Davian.
Yeah.
And you used to have this girl where me decide say, me have to get that girl. Have to.
Have you
No
get the
matter
nookie
what.
boat?
Have to get that girl.
Yeah.
But guess what now? She put up a wall, brother.
Yeah.
She tell me something I never like.
What she say?
But
What she say?
she say, if you want there with me, or if me and you if we go out, you have to do that thing there.
What thing there?
That thing there, Davian.
Yeah?
Yes.
And you tell her say you do?
In my mind, me I said, Jesus Christ.
Girl dry out. Now. You get dry out. You get
But
dry
what I
out.
said, no. But I want the girl more.
Yo. So hold on.
And
You get dry out.
wait. Me tell her, I say, yeah, man. Ray, te. But then when the day come, Davian, not
Yeah.
even a word about that.
She just a test you.
It reach her so quick, she not even realize.
She a test
And
you, dog.
we never even talk about topic after that day. There.
Tony, she did a test you.
It looks so.
And you feel the test, dog.
I feel the test, but
You get her?
me no happy. Yes.
You did get her?
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
okay.
That's what I say when it reach her, she not even know what go on.
Yeah.
She not even remember what she said. What she did want me do.
Well, Rasta,
You ever life to get a girl, Davian?
consistent.
Wait, tell them I'm vegan.
No, you know, certain lies I will never tell. It have a bit. No, I tell lies, but
Yes.
like white lies. I'm not gonna lie and say I don't lie to get a girl. Sometimes you have to tell a little lie, bro. Like, you know, she asks you have a girlfriend, you say no.
Davian. That is a red lie. That's not a white lie. That's a red lie.
Really? Okay. Scratch that. Delete that. No, but for example,
Yeah.
she cook for you, and the food is
Oh.
not there,
Mm-hmm.
but you need to get in the underwear.
So you say,
Oh wow,
yeah, it's good. It's good.
It's not, and she did that eat it, and she don't say it bad, you know.
She know too, but she just want to hear you say good.
Yeah,
and that's it.
I mean, I finish the plate too. I finish the plate.
Finish your plate, Davian.
Yeah.
If you tell you the truth, me can't lie when it come on to that.
No, me lie, man. Me
Me
lie.
can't, like if me can't lie when it come on to food. You know why?
Yeah.
It a go show.
Yeah, no.
It a go show up on my face. It a go show how fast me I eat the food, how me I enjoy it.
You have to tough it out, dog. You have to tough it out.
That
Furthermore, women get intimidated when them cook for me, dog.
Because them know say yeah Jamaican. This Jamaican man know how to cook. Him a go judge me. You know them kind of get self-conscious.
And then like when them taste my food compared to where them prepared, them I say, yo. Cause I like cook for women still, you know. If I've cooked for you, I liked you.
Yeah.
Girls I don't cook for, I lie to them and say I can't cook. Cause I don't.
Yo, you know what a girl tell me one time, Davian?
What?
Not spend too long for this. A girl tell me say she will never cook for a man. She will never,
Red
unless it's her husband.
Red flag.
She will never cook for a man unless it's her husband. But I ask her, how you going to get this man to be your husband if you don't cook for him? How this person going to actually know that you can cook and get like accustomed to your kind of cooking skills? You know, cooking, like eating is
Yeah,
a
bro.
big part of love and a part of marriage and a family, you know.
That is also one of those dumb rhetorics like some of them women use. Like, oh, I don't do boyfriend duties, girlfriend duties until I'm the girlfriend. I don't do wife duties until I'm the wife.
Yeah.
But how you get a promotion, or you get a managerial promotion if you're not
If
playing
you're not
the-
working,
if
yes.
you're not working.
My
You think
brother,
the manager just give you the task, so you have to work.
you have to show him say you're willing for work, man.
You have to put in the work, man.
Yeah.
But tell you the truth, bro. If I don't see certain things with a woman at a certain stage, we can't move to another stage.
Because you don't see it going no further because you want this
Yeah.
and you build on this. You need to build on this. For me, cooking is one of those things.
No, I don't need a woman that can cook, to be honest.
Me need one.
I don't need a woman that can cook
Me
because
need
I
one.
like to cook and it's my therapy.
No, the thing is me love for cook too.
Yeah.
You know, but sometime,
Yeah.
you know, if you no cook or if she no cook, you can cook.
Nah.
And not only that, the children. If me I gonna be the only one cooking all the time, I may have to probably more than likely me have to work too.
It a go rough.
It a go rough. Me no want no KFC girl, brother.
Okay.
No want a Burger King or McDonald's girl, man. I want a girl that can cook.
Some Wingstop girl.
No,
Taco Bell.
Five Guys, man. No.
You don't want a Five Guys girl.
No. No McDonald's, no Subway, no KFC,
You
man.
want a home cooked ground food.
Yes, man.
Vegan.
Vegan, not necessarily.
But she
But-
needs to be able to cook the greens.
Yeah, man. If she eat meat, she can eat meat. That's alright. That's her problem.
But my girl have to eat meat, you know.
Alright. So Davian,
Yeah.
what is the meat of the matter today? Today.
I wanted to say, well,
Yeah.
today, I say things you'll find in every Jamaican home.
And did you curate your list?
I have my list. I didn't have much on the list, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can get it up to 10 if you're dead.
Me have a lot more than
You have a lot more than that.
More than likely we coincide on things, you know?
All right.
So guys, these are things that will be commonly found in a Jamaican or Caribbean household because some people get on us for saying only Jamaica.
Only Jamaica.
When these things are in the Caribbean.
Bro, I cannot speak for every Caribbean
True.
country. And I love all the Caribbean
All of
countries.
them. All
All of them. But we can't speak from a full Caribbean
True.
experience. We can't speak from a full African or a Black American experience because that's not how we grew up. We don't know
Yeah,
about
we
that
grew up
stuff.
Jamaican, we know about, yeah.
I can't say things you find in every Caribbean home and then I say, oh, you find a broom and then you boom. Some Caribbean home now use broom, them use vacuum.
Or them use the whisk from outside. You know, the bush of them,
Exactly.
yeah, you know?
Yeah. So we speak from Jamaican and if it applies to the Caribbean,
That's
so
good also.
And probably it even apply to other cultures as well because
Yeah.
cultures aren't necessarily fully 100% unique. But my first one, things you'll find in every Jamaican home. A bottle of Ray and Nephew.
Number one on the list.
If you're a Jamaican and you don't have that in your house, I have one here and I live in Spain. Tony.
Listen.
Oh.
Wait.
What's the excuse?
I have a bottle. It's not a full bottle. It's an empty bottle. But I have a bottle.
Don't tell me about buckle. So you have a souvenir.
I have a souvenir. It come from you too.
Yeah, so you get a buckle from me.
Basically.
See there? Well, I'm the alcoholic, apparently. All right, Tony.
So a bottle of Jamaican rum. Things found in a Jamaican household. The brown straw basket that they used to put the fruits and vegetables in.
Yeah, everybody have one, you know.
Everybody have one
you
of
know,
that.
mother used to can make them basket of that.
Really?
Yeah, me used to hate it though. Because
Uh-huh.
I made have to go and cut the straw and bring the straw, bring
Yeah.
them in my house, string them out, boil them and
Yeah.
prepare
A
them.
long process.
And she never, it's like she was blessed with a talent. Like she could have make straw hat, anything from straw. She could have make it, but she never enjoy it.
She never enjoyed it.
She never enjoyed it.
But the talent though, the talent.
talent
She
is
knows she have the
there.
knowledge and the talent, but yeah, man.
And you know when me discovered this one was big, I'm gonna say, Mommy, you can't do this. Why you don't do this more often?
The work, man. The work.
No,
behind it, the
because
work behind
it and the strain it take on the fingers.
Yeah, cause the straw them hard.
Yeah. But me used to hate got bush go do that. Things you'll find in every Jamaican home, a machete.
My shit. Yes. Yo, in every Jamaican household, uptown, downtown, country,
Where
everywhere.
uptown man I do that machine? Chop chop. Them not chop nothing, them have guard now.
Nah, that way, them have them little machine sometime, man.
Yeah.
Them have them little machine, man.
Yeah, remember my father have a machine under the bed to blood clot. Yeah.
My father used to have one in the kitchen.
Yeah.
He used to have one in one place outside.
He strap up, man. He strap up. He ready to chop up. He strap up.
And him, more say he used to have it in his car, but he used to have something else in his car just in case.
I'm a ratchet in my car.
No, he used to have a baseball bat.
Your father ready for the road, man.
They were right under the seat, just
Yeah,
in case.
Ready to war.
All right. Things that you find in Jamaican households. The Dutch pot.
Always me have that too.
The Dutch pot, the Dutch pot, the Dutch pot.
Bro, food tastes good when it come out that Dutch pot.
Is the aluminum. Is the aluminum.
The metals, them we are eat.
Yeah, you know, that's
And we shouldn't do it, you know. We should have cooked it. But
Make we enjoy this little moment, but then me I go explain something about this aluminum. But the Dutch pot. Why we need the Dutch pot? If you cook the curry chicken,
everything, all in one.
the oxtail, the rice and peas, you can cook in that too.
Everything.
But even like my father used to cook ackee and
You
starfish.
can cook everything in a Dutch pot, bro.
Everything.
A Dutch pot is a frying pan, a sauce pan, a soup pot, a stew pot, a
Everything.
rice pot, a everything pot.
It's just an all-in-one pot.
Le Creuset, Jamaica.
You know, and the thing with the Dutch pot, what make it so world class is the shape of the pot and the cover.
Yes.
The shape of the pot and the cover. Why? Because if my teacup did empty. So the bottom have a dome, the front
Put a picture, man.
have a dome shaped, right? So when you put it on top of the fire, it rests perfectly there.
Yeah.
And it's not one way spread all the way out. You know what I'm saying?
Is the Jamaica the Le Creuset? The Jamaica.
Le Creuset.
Le Creuset, the Jamaica, the Dutch pot.
And the cover just fits perfectly. You
Le
know, and-
Creuset, the
And,
Jamaica.
another reason why we have it is for celebrations when events come around, you know, we get the two covers and we knock them together
Brother,
and they make a nice sound.
you ever cook with a Dutch pot on a wood fire?
Yeah, man. Or coal stove, yes.
Yeah.
The best food.
Remember, this is the test.
Tell
If
me.
you put in a Dutch pot on a coal stove or a wood fire, what are the first thing you do to the pot?
What do you mean what the first thing?
What you do to the pot?
Well, me normally see them dirty up the pot.
You put mud
On the
it.
outside, yeah.
If you not use the mud, what you have to use?
I don't know. I see them them just take dirt and them.
And a dirt, a mud, man. You have to mud the pot first.
Yeah.
If you have to cook on the wood fire, or you put some oil on it if it's a coal stove.
Oil?
You oil out the outside. So the cleaning process well easy.
Yeah.
So that's why you put the mud, cause
yeah.
brother,
That would have black.
Daniel,
black.
a country me come from in a dog.
Yeah, man.
Cook on a wood fire and carry that. Well, cook on a fire made from the trees that are dry.
Yeah. Yes.
And you have to scour that pot, you know, man.
It's difficult,
You have
man.
to go a river with the Scotch Brite, you know, and you get the sun.
Yeah. But yeah, man. But as me go say with this aluminum though, aluminum actually affect we, you know, dog.
The metals, man, because we
The
get
heavy
them.
metals. Because imagine this, every time that you use the Dutch pot, it get thinner and thinner and thinner. Every time you wash it or cook in it, it get thinner and thinner. Why? Because it release the metals in the food. When it react with the food or the heat or whatever, it release
slowly
them.
but surely the peel and
If you buy a Dutch pot, brand new, and you take you know those things where you used to clean the pot, the iron one.
the
there?
bristle brush, man.
The bristle brush, you can rub it right down, you know.
Tonil.
To this, a new Dutch pot, you know, even make a hole in the pot, you know.
Tonil, me tell you, so my Dutch pot, them are my yard, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Them they use until the hole come in at them and they
Yeah,
exchange
man.
it out,
And
you
they
know.
change it.
Remember, say, yo, we all have a Dutch pot in the yard, the big soup one, and it have a hole up here, so with the angle there. Put some clay on that.
And
it
just
like that.
cook same way.
Balance.
Yeah, man.
But me never pre them thing to find out, say, yo, when you're all in a life,
Yeah.
heavy metals and
Affect you
microplastics,
more. Yeah.
we need to watch out for them people.
True.
Ceramic is the way to go.
True. But you know, Dutch pot is something cultural, so
Culture,
chances are we
but
can't run away from it.
we can. We have choices, bro. Stop making things because something cultural, you're not gonna do it.
Run it again. So things.
Things found in every Jamaican household. A whatnot.
A what not?
A what not? Not a what is or a what
A what not?
A what not? What is a what not?
Alright, let me try to describe a what not. A what not
A what not?
is a piece of fine furniture, which is usually in the form of a cupboard, a glass cupboard,
Get have a glass
and
cupboard.
it's usually put in the living room or the dining room, sometimes in the kitchen. And if we could have showed you guys this would be almost a representative. Almost.
But a what not, you can't move it. Because
Yes.
if you're this, I put a picture. We need to put a picture for what now? A what not. What not is just a shelf, bro.
It is.
The what not is a TV stand, is the liquor cabinet, is
And-
the shelf, is the bookshelf, is the everything.
And with the whatnot comes the croaking lizard that lives behind it. The croaking lizard of the house.
A croaking lizard never live with that behind my car.
No?
I chop that up, man. I chop that.
No, David, me used to have a croaking lizard who used to live behind my whatnot in my house, man.
And you not kill him?
We try to kill him, but the thing is now, him so smart. The whatnot have a little hole inside,
You have a pet, bro.
basically. So what this lizard would do is run from the wall, go on the whatnot, and him just travel himself and him find him
It
hole.
was a pet lizard, bro.
And there's no way to get him out unless you see him outside. Him
Bun
grow up, David and him grow big and fat, you see. When my father, when the day my father,
Machete. The machete.
oh God, me just said the word.
No, that's alright, but
The day my father get rid of him, my God, man. The other lizard at the house, them we not see them, we never see them for a while.
the warning was saying, them a moan.
Yes, them are mourn. For them leader. Trust me. Ah, by the way, how you spell what not?
Just what not. We don't know how
Is
to
what-
spell it. I don't know how to spell what not. I just have what not.
I just see it because me have what not too, and me spell it too. Me
What?
spell it WAKNOT. What
No,
not?
me spell it what not. WHATNOT.
What is the word? If somebody knows the word, tell us.
What not or what not?
Tell us if somebody knows this
It's a
word.
what not, bro. Cause what don't you put on it?
Exactly.
What
What not?
What's not to put on it? Everything you put there, so
Again with the brilliant David.
what not?
What not? All right. Things commonly found in a Jamaican household. A sofa, which is called a settee.
A settee.
And this settee is covered with the original plastic that you're not allowed to take off as a kid.
I know, and you cannot sit on it.
You cannot sit on it.
Whoa.
But yeah, you cannot take a seat on this.
No, it's just
No.
just a decoration.
It's decoration.
It's just the only time is when somebody come
When-
at the yard.
And no, not just anybody. Somebody special. You
Yeah,
know?
family,
Some
them
family
know the-
member.
them know the
or-
routine.
You know, but yeah. The settee with the plastic on it.
Bro, I find when comes to people just sit on for a settee, yeah, they was
Put a foot on.
yeah. Put
sleep.
up foot. Sleep. What you have bed for, Tony? What you have bed for? Why do you have a bed if you can't sleep on the couch?
Davian, I don't know.
Why you have a bed?
I don't know. But I discovered, the thing is now, Davian, I never yet really sleep in our couch until we come over here.
The
So.
sweetest sleep.
And that's why we parents don't want to sleep on the
too
couch.
comfortable. It's
Yes,
too nice.
it's too comfortable.
Bro, nothing
Yeah.
on a day where you're just tired, don't go sleep in your bed. Just
Nah, man. that's-
on the couch, 20 to 40 minutes, and the sweetest sleep. You wake up with so much energy.
Yes. And sleeping for the right amount of time on the couch is important.
20 to 40 minutes. If you go
Is
over
enough.
the hour mark, you
Yeah,
start
that's
going at
it.
the REM cycle, you're done.
You're done for.
You wake up just all right. Things you'll find in every Jamaican home. Kerosene lamp. Kerosene
Yes,
lamp.
my brother. Yes.
Kerosene lamp.
The kerosene lamp.
From downtown to uptown, all the way
Everybody
around,
have it,
everybody
yes.
have a kerosene
Have a
lamp.
kerosene lamp. Because it's necessary for when we have
Hurricane
a
season.
hurricane,
Season.
when you have a power cut,
Mm-hmm.
for example, or when else people use it.
It's just hurricane season and when like gone.
Or no, you know, for example, when my grandmother, she used to turn it, she used to use it for the night time. She used to have one in the kitchen. If she ever be in the kitchen, she used to just have one in the kitchen with her. Instead of turn on the light, because she said the light used to damage her eye. So she put on the cursing.
And you know what was damaging her eye? Her using the curse dial lamp and straining to see.
that too.
I realized, but cursing dial lamp, every Jamaican.
You know, I wonder where them come from.
No, it's just a regular lamp. People used to use lamp, but they just stay with us all throughout because of the frequency of the power outage and the hurricanes.
But where this thing originate from?
The slave masters, bro, the colonizers, where do you think it come from? The Iraqs didn't have them. It's a lamp. They used to lose eye lamp in the streets in London. First.
Well, true, yeah,
Remember?
yeah.
Also, Jamaica is the first Caribbean country to get electricity. So those are born out with cursing a lamp.
First, yes. And the first country in the Western Hemisphere to have a railway system.
See it there?
And Jamaica was the birthplace of chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Yes.
The brown milk. Because, we have chocolate cows in Jamaica.
We do.
We feed them a special grain and then the milk that they put out turns out to be chocolate milk.
Brown cows.
Brown
TT Lecky.
Thomas Lecky.
Yes.
Your turn.
All right. Things that are commonly found in a Jamaican household. Browning, which is used for baking and cooking.
Yeah, but I have browning here so as well. Or otherwise, I make my browning.
My household don't look so Jamaican.
No,
I don't have any, lie. I have the straw basket.
Yeah, that's probably the most generic thing. Cause I'm looking at one where the plants are in right now.
Wait, no, man. I have the straw basket. No, let's count at the end.
All right.
Let's count at the end.
Things found in every Jamaican home: a Bible.
True.
King James.
The King James version.
Of the Bible. True. No matter what, no matter how a person don't believe in a God, no matter how evil people is, no matter how much them have, no matter what, them have a Bible. And sometimes they even take it far as a little small Bible in their back pocket.
The small blue pocket Bible. You remember them?
Yeah, you remember when you used to use that pocket Bible as your wallet? You ever use it as your wallet?
Yeah.
Yes, use that pocket Bible as your wallet.
Yeah, man. Just put the money inside. Yeah. And the thing is now with this Bible, they won't think twice to say that there's money inside.
No.
They won't think twice to rob it from you because it's the Bible.
Yeah.
You know, it holds some kind of weight. It holds some kind of prestige.
And normally it's like the bad man, them have a Bible in them back pocket.
Them pray before them do them works, David.
Yeah.
Yo. Them pray before them do them works.
Yo, we as a people crazy, dog. I'm on to yo, make Father God make me come back from the mission and me got eliminate somebody, but more come home safe. God bless me. Bless my journey. Bless me on this mission. Let me make it home safe.
God. It's crazy, dog. We don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, them pray before they go up and work.
God bless me, make them catch me with an empty clip. Yeah. Make them catch me with an empty clip.
I don't know. All right. Things commonly found in a Jamaican household. An outside clothesline.
Yeah, 100%.
An outside clothesline.
It's kind of like Spain. Everybody have their little tenor door things, so,
No, in the south of Spain, I would say.
Yeah, because in some of the cities, it's illegal to put out your clothes like that.
Yeah.
Because it don't look good for the thing.
And it's the best way to dry your clothes.
Yeah.
Best way.
Sunlight. Always.
And there's a problem with this clothesline, though.
Right.
During May, was it October? Yeah, when the rainy season is there. My brother, there's no clothes.
Yeah, for hang them inside because...
Yes. No, you don't wash.
No, so where you wear? Yeah, that's
no,
clothes?
No, Davin. Like usually during rainy season, what would happen is that you choose your days. Because the rain, it weird. When I come over here, is when I realize how weird it is. Our rain. It's almost like the rain scheduled. You know that you have the morning until about 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
And then from 11 to 5 or 11 to 6, you have the rain. And then that's it. Usually during the rainy season, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you can time yourself, for example, and say wash your clothes from tonight. And you hang them out early morning until 10 o'clock. And you take up your clothes fast before the rain starts.
Alright.
But if it's a thing where, for example, it's like a tropical depression, I know the rain might be there for a few days without stopping. You used to have a little place inside we used to hang it. I used to hang it like on top of some chairs and we put it in the kitchen.
Brother, you hang the clothes When the rain starts, somebody have to run out the door go take up them.
Always, yeah.
But you know, so here's the bro. Anytime I want the rain to fall, I just have to leave my clothes outside for 2 days. Day 2, I have to wash them again. It's not gonna rain. If I left my clothes outside for 2 days and I wrote on it, rain fall. I swear to God, it happened about 10 times so far for the year. Even in the summer, when the rain fall with you. You remember when the rain fall?
Yeah, true.
Close out that door, brother. The one day.
The one fucking day I did,
And you know when I did the man, I say, yo, that mean take up your clothes, no man. I say, alright, no rain now, fall. Man, clothes, laziness. Out the road, I'm going to boom.
Anytime I want rain fall, I can tell you left your clothes.
Yeah, left my clothes out the door is like a calling. Alright, this is probably the best one.
Yes.
Things found in every Jamaican house. A barrel that is storing everything except what coming out.
Every house. The blue barrel or the brown one.
Oh my God,
yes.
Man. The barrel have every single thing in there except what come from it.
Yeah, man.
And then guess what? The barrel is also a dresser.
It become a dresser eventually.
Yeah, the barrel become a dresser.
My auntie, my grandmother used to use the barrel as a water tank. You should get them and she just put them outside as water tanks.
Sometimes people want the blue plastic one, them you get one of them, you can't sell them.
Well, yeah, true.
Man, you buy them man for collect water and them thing there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But the brown one always inside the house with everything on top of it. And when the thing's in the barrel, you go in on the barrel and take it out. You don't unpack the barrel.
No, you actually know where the things are.
Yeah.
There's some, I don't know how them do it, but them know that the rice at the bottom of the barrel or the rice in the middle.
Yeah. The most divisive thing in Jamaica is also
a
barrel. Yo, a barrel mash up family more than everything.
Missy barrel part family, Davian.
Barrel split family that 2.
Yes,
3, 4.
Davian, right now, at this current moment, me have a cousin who vexed with me because of barrel.
Barrel, yeah.
And the thing is, I never have nothing to do with it. I was a little boy.
How you do? Where you get?
The thing is now, when my auntie used to send, my aunties used to send barrels to my grandmother.
Yeah.
And because my mother live in Jamaica, she would go collect the barrel and whatever. And them say, all right, Mary, this barrel, get this and look, this old spice is for this man.
Jesus.
This lady must collect this rice.
The Irish Spring for that's my dear.
Yeah, man. This one must get this salmon. Right? And then when you look sometime on this trip, you're not going to get forgive everybody everything they want. So maybe next trip. But some people don't understand that. They see barrel come and they say, yeah, man.
Barrel come,
they start lick them lips.
Me want my own.
And them not get it, them vex.
Yeah, and when them say, imagine, one pair of shoes coming at the barrel. It even fit a man, but a man want it. It even fit him, Him have a size 10 is a size 8 shoes in that barrel. But him want it.
He want it. Because what? It come from
foreign. Jesus. Yeah. Yo, you know.
Barrel will split your family, man.
Barrel, if you want to mash up your family at Jamaica, man, just send a barrel and don't say nothing. Just say nothing.
Yo! That's not like a plot twist for a movie.
Yeah. Just send a barrel, don't say nothing except the barrel reach.
My God.
Or you send the barrel, dog, and you have somebody collect it, and then you just message everybody else. Oh, you know, so something to pick up the barrel? Wait, are you going to tell me? Oh, wow.
That's not like a plot twist for a movie, I swear to you.
That sound like the machete have you come out. Yo, you know what barrel?
Yeah.
I see people pull out the machete, but
my God,
brother and brother
barrel,
want chop up each other for your barrel.
The barrel, brother.
And then when you look on the night barrel, dog, can bumbo clad tuna and spam. Man, I fight over.
Fucking chicken of the sea. Oh my God.
Give
the
me
barrel.
The peanut and the Alex, man, I fight
and the
for.
peanut butter.
The Quaker oats. Yo. The most divisive thing in Jamaica.
You're right, dog.
A barrel will mash up your family.
Yo, as much as me I laugh so much, David, it really not funny, but it's just funny how one thing can divide so much people.
What? Just roll a barrel at the yard and left. Just roll the barrel at the yard and left.
You know, the real problem though, David, the real problem is the feeling that we get for say, all right, the barrel come, this is mine.
The barrel.
What's that word, David?
The validate?
No, presumptuous?
No, you just want to feel special, like my family actually care. Them send me a barrel.
But then no, them not
And
say
then
nothing.
everybody wants to say, yo, them want the shoes from foreign. They want to say them want eat the food from foreign, the aisle from foreign, you know?
Because
It's
we just
all-
feel like everything from foreign better.
Exactly. All of a sudden, the grace mackerel not good enough. You want the foreign tuna.
Yeah, exactly.
One got work, go both say, oh, the barrel come.
Yeah, man. Or when you put on a new shirt, your friend them say, "Wow, big man, barrel come."
Yeah.
Ooh.
You know if you do that, send a barrel guy yard and put one iPhone in it.
David, you say you are evil man, David. You are evil man, you know that.
Everybody phone mash up all of a sudden. All the man want me use iPhone phone mash
What
up.
mash up?
Everybody I say, yo, you know long more on the phone and
I say, you know they come with. Boy, phone wants him phone screen mash up. You say, you know, no whole phone over here they can.
yeah. Your barrel come the phone in barrel. Yeah. Come in that barrel there.
My
You know,
God,
long man, and tell me, say, I send, everybody say, I send phone for them, you know that. Sometimes you have to wonder.
My God.
And a Jamaican link can say, yo, dog, you can't send me a phone. I have to look and say, yo, you know how much for your iPhone?
That would have killed me for send an iPhone to get somebody right now.
I have to pay for clear it too.
It's not easy. It's not easy.
iPhone is $1,000
Yeah, and you have to. I think you pay like half that money
for clear it.
for half the value of the price if it go over a certain price in a Jamaica.
For clear it. So you have to buy a phone and a half.
And if them don't do it by half of the price of what you're sending, it's by weight.
You know, iPhone at the value and the weight. The
Rough.
customs of Jamaica rough.
That's why people when them do that.
I think Trump new to the tariffs. Jamaica been there. We've been
Yeah,
tariffing. We've
my
been
God.
tariffing.
Wow. What people, I don't think this is a secret anymore. What people usually do. Before what's the secret?
What's the secret? But I put on somebody.
What me usually do is if I buy a new phone overseas and I have my phone already, I always take it out of the box,
Yeah.
start to use it already, put some contacts, take some pictures and them kind of things so them see that the phone been using. Because when you go to the customs officer, then will ask you, how much is phone value? Is it yours?
Yeah.
How much phone you have? Are you using this
You,
phone?
you can get away with 2 phones.
Yeah, no more. And them one time them ask me like how long I use the phone. I'ma say, I don't know. Me can show you a picture.
You don't know how long I use the phone.
Nah, but the match I grasp at any shark and them catch me by surprise. I'ma say, alright, me can show you a picture.
Yeah.
So me I use the phone. So them see it not brand new. But yeah. Davian, you want evil man.
No.
You want to send a barrel with an iPhone. Davian, I can't believe. You want to send a barrel
It's a
with
bomb.
You want to send a barrel without name. I just send up. No, Davian, you don't do that.
just drop off the barrel, dog.
That is recipe for a horror movie, Davian.
Chop up.
Am I right?
Yeah. Me not have no more. Me done.
Ah, well, all right, me continue. All right, then. Things that are commonly found in a Jamaican household. Dettol.
Dettol. Yeah, 100%.
Dettol. That you use to
Irish
clean.
Spring. Irish Spring as well. Irish Spring. Irish Spring soap and cake soap.
No,
Irish
wow, cake soap.
Irish
cake
Spring
soap.
cake soap. Fab soap.
Fab soap.
Sod
yes.
sod.
Sod.
One of the Avon deodorant them as well.
Suave.
Suave. Far. Far.
Yes, another thing that I have. Things commonly found in a Jamaican household, and this one is not only for Jamaica. I think this one apply for all black people. And I can tell you because I've been black for a while. The plastic bag that they use as the garbage instead of an actual garbage bin.
Yes. And then you have a bag of bags in a drawer of bags.
Yes.
In the whatnot, you have a bag of bags in a whatnot.
Yes.
Jesus, Steve.
Everywhere we go in our life, Davian, we can't escape the plastic bag. Even in a Spain, you saw Davian?
Yeah.
I have my plastic bags. I have a bag of plastic bags.
I think everybody, dog. No, that does become everybody. Everybody coming in house, Devin, where's your bag of bags? Where is
that them know?
assumes
Exactly,
I have
yeah.
a bag of bags.
How rude.
Yeah, like, I could
Yeah.
be trying to save the environment. I only
Exactly.
use recycled stuff.
But no.
No.
We have the plastic bags.
Oh, things you found in every Jamaican home.
Uh-huh.
Glass plate and cup when nobody can use.
Damn right.
Nobody cannot
Nobody.
use them. You will eat out of the same plastic thing or thing until
God
Kingdom
come.
God come. Them is decoration for the whatnot.
Yes. And them only take out, sometimes them only take out when special people come again.
Special events and occasion. Otherwise,
Yeah, for example, the white tablecloth them will only come out during Christmas time.
you have it and the duvet them.
Yes, only Christmas time.
Yeah, man, the Christmas bed
Yeah, man.
and New Year.
Yeah, man. Right now, Davian,
And that in the barrel too, you know.
What?
Them store them there, the big sheet them, the cover set them, man.
Ah,
In the barrel.
yeah, true. Yeah.
It
So,
can't fit in the drawer.
so that them don't get a dust. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm looking at my Walknut right now, Davian. It have so much of my grandmother plates and cups and glass things, pirate dishes, everything you can find, everything
What is
you can
pirate
think about.
dishes? It's pirate is a brand, you know. I feel like it's a brand, you know.
I feel,
Pirate is a brand, dog.
wait. I feel is the shape of the dish. It look like a pirate hat.
No, pirate. I feel like it's PRET and it's a brand.
PRE. All right.
Wait, see that?
No, that's not it.
It's pirate. Yeah, it is fucking pirate plate. Are the one them with the big decoration.
No. Pirate dish is the one that you use for bake, Davian. The one that you put the mac and cheese in.
No, dog. Pirate.
Yes. Davian, the pirate dish is the one that you used to put the mac and cheese in.
No, pirate. I just
Or
we call
baked
glass
goods.
plate, dog.
But you know, I won't say what you're saying is not wrong because Igloo is not an Igloo. Igloo is a brand. You didn't know that?
Yeah. No, yeah. Igloo is the brand for the thing.
It's called a water cooler.
Yeah. But what is a pirate plate? People help me out with that one there. A pirate, and it's not with pirates on it, you know. It's not that one. It's like there's the glass plate them with like color.
Put in pirate dish and it come up. These.
Pyrex. So it's Pyrex is the brand.
No, well, I don't know.
See the Pyrex.
Pyrex might be a brand. This one's an Anchor too.
It's a brand, dog. It's a brand, Tony. I feel like Pirate or Pyrex is a brand, and we just call it that.
Maybe. Just
Alright.
like Pampers, Huggies,
Huggies.
you know? But yeah. Alright. Things commonly found in a Jamaican household. Indian curry.
The better pack.
Better pack
The
curry.
better bumbo
Yeah.
pack.
The best curry, you know.
The better pack. Anybody have a link to better pack curry can send me some in Spain, please, and thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate you.
It's a different kind of curry.
That curry slaps. That curry has spice and flavor in it.
Yes. It's not just and the thing is that curry, it have such a rich green. It stain your clothes. As in anything it stain, it don't come
Plastic plate done. Don't put in
Don't
a
come out.
Don't put in a plastic
Exactly.
plate.
Unless you put unless you're going to put bleach, they're going to stay right in it.
That better pack curry they don't taste like real curry. We don't feel like better pack is real curry.
Why?
Because when we get like the Indian curry, like the Madras curry and them curry there,
Yeah.
it's a different flavor.
Because, you know, I learned that curry. I had to learn this over here because in Jamaica, we basically only use Indian curry. You have different flavors and types of curry. You even have sweet curry, spicy curry,
Yeah.
mild curry, pink curry, orange curry.
Green.
But we used to the green curry.
Yeah. No, you have a different green curry, like a different texture, like the Thailand curry.
I don't know that one.
Yeah, man, different form of curry.
And you know the one that alright. Something we must see different with the curry over here. The one that we used to use, the Better Pack Jamaican, the Better Pack Indian curry. The curry used to be thinner.
The grains, the granules.
No, like when
The
you cook
powder.
it in a sauce or whatever,
Yeah.
it always come out thinner. Here, it come out thicker. For some reason, I don't know why.
Cause you can buy a curry paste. You can buy a curry paste and use that instead of the powder curry.
No, I prefer the powder because there the ancestors can talk to me and I can
Just like that.
put the right amount.
The ancestors don't know about the paste.
It's not them first choice.
Yeah. You know I can't cook curry without ginger in it.
Honorable.
Curry without ginger is a risky business. That you know.
Honorable.
Toilet, you know.
Honorable.
Yo,
True.
remember when curry used to cook it, dog? And everybody can eat curry from it, you know?
Me know that.
And everybody put ginger in them curry, you know?
But the thing is now, And everybody cook them curry good either. And that's a big difference between curry in Jamaica, for example, versus curry here. Curry in Jamaica, even though you said this to me the other day, the thing that we do when we put the curry in the pot and we mix it and we cook it a little bit,
toast it, not the oil.
is something.
That
Let's call it. It's a Caribbean cooking method. I don't do that here. I can even have my food and I add curry directly and I cook it down a little bit, and later I do have problems.
Tony, you're in the white man land too long now, you know, bro.
I feel so.
You can't. You're changing your cooking technique.
No, it's not that me change it, but me can take the risk now that if me never had enough curry before, we can add some more later.
Yeah. Them
know?
always want in Jamaica don't add raw curry to your food.
True.
Don't add raw curry to your food. But tell you the truth, you know, I'm not lie.
Yeah.
Since me live a foreign, and me eat curry, no matter where me even order from a restaurant, me never get running belly from curry, so.
Never yet.
Never
Never.
Why?
I don't know that vein. It's been puzzling me too.
Like a Jamaican, I can't eat curry without ginger in it. I mean, know them not put ginger in the restaurant. So.
Sometimes I don't put ginger that vein.
Jesus. My Lord. Save
That's
this
why I say you're honorable that vein. You're honorable.
Lord. I may have ginger in the fridge right now.
Just in case you need to cook a curry.
Just in case curry.
Just in case you need to cook a chicken curry, right?
Yeah, with me coconut milk as well.
By the way, there's this debate in the Caribbean with some countries that say it's not curry chicken, it's chicken curry. If we say this to our sisters and brothers in Guyana, with curry chicken, them send we up Ghana with mother.
It's not curry chicken, it's curried chicken.
No.
It's curried chicken.
Me and you have an argument. No.
It's curried chicken.
All my life, I've been saying curry chicken.
It's curried chicken.
But Davian, why the ED? When do we say ED in
No,
Jamaica?
because it's curried. It's been curried. The chicken, it's the past tense.
But Davian, let's go to patois that you know.
Yeah.
When do we say the ED?
You say curried chicken.
No, curry.
No, curry.
We say curry goat.
Somebody named Curry. Richard Curry. Curry.
Steph Curry.
Steph Curry. I know curry chicken. Curried
Davian.
chicken. You make Steph Curry chicken.
Make we argue. I want you to say the word. I go spell the word. I want you to say it in a patois accent.
Curried chicken.
Wait now, man. Because it can't be curry alone that you say with the ED.
Maybe I'm just wrong then. Curried chicken.
What is this word?
Arden.
Where's the ED?
You know, hear it? Arden. Harden.
This is hardened.
Harden.
Harden, no.
Harden.
That is why.
You just say it too. Harden.
Yes, but not hardened.
Harden.
Hardened.
Harden.
Hardened.
Harden.
Davian.
Harden. I say it, bro. All right. Curry chicken. Where you hear? You hear the curried or you hear curry chicken?
What's this word?
Enlightened.
You be the judge, people.
Enlighten. You see, you don't say enlighten. You say enlighten.
But the proper word is enlightened.
Enlightened. Yeah.
Enlightened.
Exactly. But me say enlighten.
Curried. Nobody. Davian. Put it in the comment section. What do you guys say? Curried chicken or curry chicken? Or you guys might say chicken curry.
It's curried chicken.
All right, Davian. Curried chicken. The comments will tell you
because you
that it is curry chicken.
What them say? Barbecued chicken.
Davian, you shoot yourself in your own foot, Davian. Don't do that.
Fried chicken.
Nobody does say fried chicken.
Fried.
Davian, get up right now, no dog. We left this episode right now, Davian. Because you don't say fried chicken.
What do you mean you don't say jerk chicken? Jerk chicken.
Davian.
The chicken was jerked.
Davian, me tired of you. Stop it right now.
Seasoned rice.
All right. You are the English teacher. I'm not.
Yeah?
You are the English teacher. I'm not.
All right. You done?
No, I have one more. I have one or two more. Things that are commonly found in a Jamaican household. And the last one on the list is beer gun spray.
Beer gun.
Yes, the beer gun spray. Yeah, man, the Bacon spray.
No! And a bacon na my house, you know. Pyro.
Pyro.
The red one.
The red one. The red
Pyro.
one.
Bacon are for rich people. You get pyro for the poor people. Pyro for the poor
But the
people.
same thing, that Bacon, they cost more than Pyro?
Yeah, bacon is a bigger brand.
But Davian, think about it. You want to kill this insect? You want to get rid of only this insect, or you want to get rid of everything where they there?
Yeah, use the pyro.
Dog, use the Bacon, man.
Pyro. But you know them call pyro bacon and bacon pyro as well. You know pyro?
But no Pyro, dog. Come on.
You don't know pyro, dog.
The thing is now, me I doubt Bacon. Bacon was what color?
Green and black. Green and green.
Well, the red one, me remember, you know, the Pyro, me remember.
That is pyro. That is.
But the
not
thing is
bacon.
now, it's easier to say Bacon. Because we always use Bacon for everything. We don't say Pyro. We say, pass me the Bacon, even if it's Pyro.
Say bacon green.
Ah, true.
Bacon, we now use red.
Red a rich people thing now. Yeah,
Red a white people thing. Pyro.
Put Pyro in spec spray just in case it might have a Spanish thing.
Yeah.
A Pyro bug spray.
Buckler pyro. When you
It changed,
yeah,
it
see
changed.
that, see that,
Ah, yeah.
see pyro. Yeah?
But yo, honestly, Davian, that is the battle I remember. I thought that was Bacon.
This is pyro.
You see? People, as you said, people call Bacon Pyro. And Pyro Bacon.
I mean, I feel like, bro, if you tell you the truth, but can't even say certain things. And you know what the next one? Bop.
Bop.
You don't know what bop? Bop. Now what? Hold on.
No.
You never used to watch the bop advertisement, them dog.
No, sir.
Yeah, dog.
Bop.
They used to bop. Bop used to have a wicked advertisement, man.
Bop bug spray.
Yeah,
Wow.
dog. He used to have bop, man.
The thing is not, and why we always say Bacon or whatever. We use this thing outside of eradicating insects. We use it to make fire.
See it, yeah.
Sorry guys, we can't show this advertisement
Yeah.
because BAP does not sponsor us.
Across the Caribbean for decades, Bob has become the most trusted name.
You don't know bop.
I don't remember them.
There has never been, or there never will be, any escape for insects from the
Oh,
unrelenting
me not lie. This advertisement,
precision.
It looks too fancy.
yeah, that means it look too prestige. You know, look like me I come to eradicate
Yeah.
some insect. It look like
Yeah,
me I
bop.
try to sell a car.
You need to learn more bop, man.
BAP. I
Yeah.
never hear about BAP in my life. I swear, dog.
Yo, dog, me they have a game for play, but I could run long time. The game is a game I want to continuously play, so we can play part of it.
Instead of play your game, you have somebody for burn out today.
If we burn out today,
Yeah.
no, nobody burn out today. No, life nice, dog.
Yeah.
Life sweet, dog. I know I'm happy with life, nobody now get. I burn out chump. If you don't have nobody for burn out chump.
Yeah.
Burn out that.
Easiest name for
burn
call.
out them
Yeah.
man there. Burn them out. Nobody for burn out.
Easiest,
burn
yeah,
out
yeah.
chump. Burn them
The
out.
easiest name for call.
Burn them out.
Easiest name for call. You know, me have two more panelists. I'm going to say them and then we're done with the episode. All right. Things commonly found in a Jamaican household. A box of matches. Salt and sugar in a plastic container. And a gas stove.
Always a gas stove. Yo, we not really
Never a ceramic. I have never, well no.
a ceramic stove.
Not ceramic. That them call it the ceramic stove. The glass top.
Ah, the electric stove then.
Electric stove, yeah.
Ah,
Yo, I used to only see that in university.
the hot plate them.
Yeah, and my auntie, she regret it though. Buying one of those electric stoves.
No, you have both. You can buy one who have both,
True, but them usually cost more money too.
Yeah, so you get the gas, bro. Gas stove cooking are the best cooking when
Best
it comes
cooking,
to
me glad.
inside cooking.
As in, I am so glad where I live now have a gas stove because before where I live, you never have a gas
I
stove.
miss the gas stove, dog.
It give the food life.
I miss a gas stove, bro.
Why is it that the further away we go from natural things, the food have less life and less feeling?
We take out the connection from it, man. The spirituality out of it, and all them.
I say, yeah.
All right, the game I wanted to play. We have 5 minutes. We're on the game.
All right.
And this is the game everyone can play with us as well. And we're gonna play from A to Z game. The aim of this game is for us to name the most famous people that starts with a certain letter of the alphabet. So as we go through the episodes until we get to Z, every episode we'll do a few letters and we'll try to pick who do you think is the most famous person in the world. They have to be real people with this letter. And then me and Tony, we're going to keep a tally and in the comments can decide who was the most famous. So, Tony, who has the most famous name or who is the most famous person that names start with the letter A?
Andres Iniesta.
And I would say Adolf Hitler.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So clearly I won that one.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments if someone has a more famous name with the letter A than Adolf.
Yeah.
Right. Who has the most famous name with the letter B?
I don't want to say that name. I don't want to say this name.
No, his name starts with a R.
No, but publicly people know him as...
Yeah, all right. You can't say
that's
what, your name. We're competing, you know.
All right. I want to say Bob Marley.
I would say Barack Obama.
Good one.
But there might be some people might say Beyonce.
True.
Beyonce is a shout, you know.
Is a shout. Barack and Beyonce is a shout.
Barack and
But
Beyonce is a shout, you know.
those three are very well known people in the world.
With the
Very
letter
well
B.
known.
Who else could have compete with them?
B.
Beanie Man.
Beanie Man. Hopefully. B. I can't think of
Brad
any right
Pitt.
now. Brad Pitt maybe, yeah.
Nah, but still.
No, Brad Pitt can't come to Barack Obama, for
Barack
example.
Obama. All right. C. Who has the most famous name with the letter C?
Charles Darwin.
Charles Darwin. Humbug, man.
You can't tap that, David.
Hold on, no, man.
Charles Darwin.
Charles Darwing. Charles Bumbleclad. Let us see. Yo, you say a name and it just knock off the brain.
Exactly.
It's like I can't think of anything else. You just say a name and like boom, blank. Charles Darwin. No.
Charles Darwin, brother.
One said Charles Darwin. We can't even think of a with C though. I think about King Charles.
No, but that's well.
It's another Charles. I can't use a Charles. Bumbleclad. Courtney Ambrose. Courtney Walsh.
Famous in the Caribbean.
In the Caribbean. Jesus Christ. We can't think of a proper name with C now. We're stuck.
Ciara. But Ciara can't come to Charles Darwin, I don't believe.
Conor McGregor. Still,
Okay, but
still C. I feel like there's someone there with C.
it might be. It's just that Charles Darwin is a name that we have all heard at least once in our
But
life.
if you go that, I can say
Who?
Cleopatra.
That's a show.
Cleopatra.
That's
Cleopatra is my shout. Cleopatra.
Wow, what a show.
Cleopatra is my own.
Yeah,
Cleopatra is
yeah.
mine.
I love the game.
Yeah.
The game.
All right.
All right, we do
Two more.
A, B, C. Yeah, we go to 5 at least. D.
D. Who has the most famous name? Letter D.
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 If you have one, say it.
I feel like it's a Daniel. I feel like it's
Some
a
Daniel, right?
David.
Which David?
David Bowie.
Mm.
David Bowie. Donald Trump. Donald Trump.
Yeah.
Donald Trump.
Yeah,
The most famous name with Donald Trump.
Yeah. All right, let me try to find somebody
Donald
for
Trump.
match Donald Trump. Try to find somebody for match Donald Trump.
Donald Trump.
But dog, wow, that was a Charles Darwin moment.
Yeah,
the
Trump.
Donald does he does knock everybody
he can't
off.
Compete.
I can't even think about a music band we start with D or nothing like that.
Actor. D. Actor. Black actor.
Denzel Washington.
Denzel will compete with Trump.
Yeah,
he's been
yeah.
in so many movies or so long.
True. Yeah.
He's
yeah.
known. All right. E. Who was the most famous name with the letter E? Ooh, E.
E.
Evander Holyfield. No.
That's a good shout though.
Yeah.
Evander Holyfield. E.
Not,
I don't know. The only E coming to me right now is Eduardo.
Eduardo.
But which Eduardo? I can say Kamabinga. I can say, you know.
Eduardo. Yeah. E. Bombokla. E. Elephant Man. El Dorado.
Elvis Presley. Elvis Presley. Elvis
Board
Presley.
clear already. But I need to put up a little competition to Elvis. Who else?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Queen Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. Wow.
Queen Elizabeth, the one who recently passed condolences.
Okay.
Queen Elizabeth.
Yeah. True.
Queen Elizabeth.
Wow.
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
That's the best I can go. And that's it, people.
And that's it, guys.
Yeah, that's it for the episode. You have a song?
No, I don't have a song this week.
You know, what we want to do, we want to feature some songs. If you have a song and you want to bust a song, send us your tune.
Send us your song.
And
And we'll feature it here on the podcast.
Yeah, man, you don't have to be a big artist or anything.
No,
if you have a new album,
Not looking for stars only.
yeah, if you have a new album and you want us to listen to it, you can listen to it and give you feedback as well. As a regular person, not as a musical expert. So if you want feedback from a musical expert, send it to a producer. Alright, and that's it. Things you found in every Jamaican home. We out.
Yardman Podcast are the one. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast. The Yardman Podcast. Tell you about the Yardman Podcast.
Subscribe now. We out.
Subscribe.